Did you know hidden overlap in your mutual funds can actually eat your returns by up to 20%? That's right. Even if you pick amazing funds, overlap can reduce your portfolio returns. We all know that diversification is the key. You invest in different mutual funds to spread your risk, right? But the thing is, many mutual funds invest in similar companies. So, if you are not careful, you might end up with a bunch of funds that basically do the same thing. That means generating and giving you the same returns, even if you are investing your fund for the different goals, right? That's where the overlap comes in. It basically defeats the purpose of diversification. But don't worry, there is a fix also. In the rest of the video, we will show you exactly how you can analyze your mutual funds for overlap and build a stronger and more diversified portfolio. Just directly before jumping in the solution, let me tell you few points that how portfolio overlap can affect your portfolio in the long term. See, first thing is you are putting all your eggs in one basket. If your funds invest in the same companies, you are not really spreading the risk, right? That is completely defeating the purpose of mutual fund. Next point is overlapping funds tend to perform similarly. So you lose the benefit of the diversification. Next point is the more funds you hold, the more fees you need to pay that can literally eat your returns. Last point is now let's jump to the solution. See, there is no buy or sell recommendation firstly for anything. It's just I was getting so many queries how to choose between two mutual funds. So I tried to find a solution that can help everyone. Right. So meanwhile I come to know about the two websites offering a free portfolio analysis that can surely help you to identifying your overlapping holdings. Right. So let me just take you to the screen. So this one is the first website that I was talking about, which is Advisor Coach. Let's go to the mutual fund research. Here you can see the mutual fund portfolio overlap. Just simply click on it, and a new screen will open. Here, firstly, you need to select the category. For instance, if you are going for the large cap mutual fund, simply click on the large cap and then put the name of the fund, like any of the. I was checking for the Access Blue Chip Fund with the comparison with the Kotak Blue Chip Fund. So just simply put it. See, there is no recommendation. I'm just showing you how to compare. Right now, click on the submit button. And once you will scroll down the website, you can see here the portfolio holding, how much is holding is not common and how much is a common one, right? Now scroll down further, you will see that number of common stock which is in both the mutual fund is 25, and uncommon stock is 22 in the Access Blue Chip, and uncommon stock in the Kotak Blue Chip is 36. Now you can also see the stocks further, which are the common in both two funds. Simply click on the option see common stocks across the two funds. Once you will click here, you will get the result of the submit. Basically, here are all the company names that you can see and how much holding is in each of the mutual fund. From here, you can simply compare that how much mutual fund is overlapping and which one you should invest accordingly. Right. So this is the first one screener. You can say here you can check out for the same. Let's move to the another website that I found was onefinance.co.in. Here you can simply go to their website, click on the calculators. Once you will click, just scroll down a bit, and here you will see mutual fund portfolio overlap. Click on that option, and again here you will see two options. First one is about fetch mutual fund portfolio. This option is applicable only if you have basically purchased the mutual fund from their platform, and the another one is add funds manually to compare. Once you will click on that, you can simply add two funds here and click on the comparison. So basically this website will give you top five stocks that are coming common in both of the mutual funds. This can also help you to understand how much stocks are overlapping in your two mutual fund portfolios, right? So this was the small information that I found useful and that can be useful for you also. So wanted to share that with you. Make sure to share this video with your investor friends who are looking to buy mutual funds so that they can make a good informed decisions and also can appreciate you that you have told them about this, right? So if you found that the video was useful for you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more investing related videos. Thank you so much.